Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create split screen transition using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on video and select new. And then here you need to prepare two videos. The first video is your main video and the second video is for the transition. And for example, I'm just going to use footage from the InShot material. I'm going to go to the material and I'm going to choose footage from here. I'm going to choose this one guys. Okay, and now the video has been added to my project. And wait, I'm going to change the canvas. All right, and then we're going to go to the PIP and prepare your second video. I'm just going to use this one and I'm going to click on this autofill button to fit the screen, and then I'm going to create the split screen transition. Okay, if we want to create split screen, we need to use mask. We can go to the mask and then we're going to select this one. Sorry guys, we need to select this one. Okay, and then we're going to rotate it like this. Okay, and I'm going to create like split effect. Okay, and we're going to use keyframe to create the transition. You can click on the keyframe, but wait guys, I'm going to customize the feather. Okay, and click on the keyframe. You can put keyframe on the first part of your video, and you can move to the end part of your video and then go to the you can select keyframe, go to the mask, and you're going to create transition like this. All right, now it's done. And let's take a look at the final result. Okay, if you want to make the duration shorter, you can cut your video, for example, like this. And then you can apply mask. You can apply keyframe. And then go to the mask. And then you can drag it like this. Wait. Alright. Oops, sorry guys. And this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create split transition on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.